Here is a Mini Theremin I bought off of eBay for about $40. It has two antennas that you have to plug into it, and it also has a USB-C port for power, and it has a headphone jack. It makes some real nice tones, but so far I'm having trouble really controlling it to make a good sounding melody. You're supposed to wave your hands around the antennas to make a melody, but so far I haven't had much luck with that. I just got it today, so I'm going to experiment with it some more, but so far I at least got a few interesting sound effects which I'm about to display for you. I did have a few ideas to get better performance out of this little machine. One idea is to try using different kinds of antennas instead of the antennas that were supplied with the machine. Another idea is to try to inject some kind of signals into it instead of the antenna. So far I've discovered one interesting thing in particular. I substituted a microphone for the antenna and plugged the microphone into the antenna jack, and I got some interesting results. One interesting thing is that I found out that by waving your hands over the microphone instead of an antenna, I got some pretty good results. You can plug a USB power source into the USB-C power port on this for power. Also, it does have a headphone jack, but it works better. I mean, you can use speakers, there's built-in speakers on the device, but it's better to use a headphone jack, and you can use either headphones or, better yet, an amplified speaker set. The four black dots on the bottom are actually switches, and they're button switches that you can use for different controls.